Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make an edit like this one. First of all, you need to get your clip ready, the goal. For me, I will take the goal, this goal of the one, and you need some 4K clips and Twixtor. You can find it already in this YouTube channel, this one, Team F. It's free for downloading. I download this one. Let's come. Uh, we add this Twixtor from YouTube, but in this Twixtor they are so slow, so we should make him little fast according to the beat of the song. First, we extract the audio, and remove it. We don't need it. Then we have in CapCut for PC the split scenes. Now we add the song. It's the most important thing in the edit. The name song is phenomenal. You should download the slow reverb one. Here. In this beat exactly, we're gonna mark it using marker like this. This beat need to be in the end of the goal. So let's do like that. Like that. Now we need to make this marker different. No. So in CapCut we have an AI tool to mark the beats of the song. We need just like 26 seconds at max, so you can cut it, you don't need it. So next step is make the Twixtor a little bit faster. Look, it's too slow. So what we need to do, here, here between this marker and this marker, you can say there is 0.6 or 0.7 second. So you go to the speed one. You can change the speed or you can change the time. So we change 0.7. 0.7. If it's too much, you can make it 0.6. If it's uh, less, you need to put 0.7, then just adjust it like this one. Look at the result. It's good. We do the same thing for all the scenes we cut from the AI tool. 0.7 or 0.6 as you want. Or maybe take 0.6. Look at the difference. 0.6 like this. Okay. Now we don't need the rest, just to take the general idea like this with the delete the rest. Here too. Now the TikTok or Instagram format it's 916, but you will see that this one is not, because if we see here, I changed it before the record. You can adjust it using scale, but it will be a little messed up. So let's come to edit and crop. You can adjust the crop one using shortcut. I use C in the setting crop and make it 34. 34. So the Yamin Yamar can show. Yes, but in this you should adjust it. Let's see, edit, crop, and make it 34. Yeah. As you can see, it's much better. Use C shortcut. Mm. Just put the frame in the player. Like this. So, as you can see, it's good, better than before. For now, we're good. Now we need to add a filter in here. I already added. You come here, filter, and use this one, focus filter here. Drop it. Okay, you can see. Density, make it as you like. Me, I make it 100 because it's enhance the quality. Okay. Now we come to part of shows up using slide up animation on keyframes. First, we should come for the first frame of this clip. We come here, freeze, freeze. Okay, freeze, drag it into here. We're gonna need only 0.6, 0.6, 0.6, like this. Come to remove background, it's auto removal. For the pro features, you can do some tricks to avoid CapCut. CapCut, you can look in YouTube, you know the way. Like this. First, we come in here, go to basics. First keyframes and last keyframes. The last one, put it in 0000 XY, but here you should hide it. Like this. You see? Or you can directly use this animation. Slide up animation. Okay? But I prefer to do it with keyframes. So you can Yamin Yamal shows up 100% here. But if you use animation, Yamin Yamal will shows up before the first frame of the clip. Now we should add two effects for Yamin Yamal. The first one is the blur effect. Yes, this one. This blur effect here. Make it 50, like this. And half tone effect. This one. Should make it little in this frame and little in this clip. Okay. Then we add the flash in animation for this clip. Flash in animation. Like this. Okay. Flash in animation. After all that, we should make some effect on these clips, because it looks so stable. So we should add some flash and some shake. Shake. The shake effect on the four clips of Twixtor, and put speed at 10 and strength at 5. After this, add the black flash 2, number 2 I mean, and the setting make it 20, 100, 25 and 40, like me. So that's it for the tutorial, and don't forget to download the slowed one in the music, because the original one it's a little faster. And if you need Twixtor, I don't know how to make it. It's too hard in CapCut, but you can find it in this one, Timo FF. And about the song, it's phenomenal slow. So that's it. Thanks guys for your time. If you like the tutorial and find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. And any question you can ask me in comment. Thank you.